Bugs. Meet our new class pet, Roly Poly Roland.
Ooh, adorable! Wow, look at him. Cute. Roly Poly Roland is really roly-poly. He's a super-duper roly-poly. Super duper! Yay! Wow! That was so cute. I love your roly-polies, Roland. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Do you like that, Roland? Yay! Yay! Looks like you loved it. Oh, Lu, I want to do a super tickly roly-poly. Okay. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Whee! I can roly-poly like Roland. My turn. Sounds like you go. Tickle, 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 tickle. Whee! Whee! Tickle, tickle, tickle. Roland, why didn't you roly-poly? Yay!
Yeah. Okay, Bugs. It's playtime.
Yay! Playtime! Come on, Roland. I want to keep playing with you. Your turn now, okay, Roland? You want to play something else? Oh, how about this, Roland? You want to play catch? You want to play hide and seek, Roland? I love that game, too. Come out, wherever you are. Come out, wherever you are. Roland, found you! Okay, now it's my turn. Roland, what are you doing? Yeah! Great idea.
You look sad, Lu. What happened?
I'm sad that Roly Poly Roland doesn't want to play with me. He's just curled up and not doing anything.
You can play with me if you want. I'm playing family. Now I'm waiting for Aiden P and Lola P to wake up from their naps so I can play with them.
Why don't you just wake them up now so you can play?
No, Lu. At home, Aiden and Lola get tired all the time and don't want to do anything until they've rested.
Ooh, Barnaby! Do you think Roland might have been tired and wanted a rest?
Maybe he was yawning, and that's what Aiden and Lola do when they get tired.
Let's go check.
Okay. Roland is definitely a resting roly-poly. And he snores the same way Lola does.
I'll wait until he wakes up, and I'll see if he wants to play then.
How about we...
It's Dots! There she is!
I love Dots.
Who'd like to go outside and say hello to Dots?
Me! Okay. Hi, Dots! Aww, did you come to say hello to us, Dots? Does she like tummy rubs?
Let's ask her, shall we? Dots, how would you like a tummy rub?
Look, Shella, she wants one.
I think she does.
Me first. Me too.
I do. I don't want to.
Why not?
I just don't want to.
Gus, you don't have to play with Dots if you don't feel like it.
I know. I'm just going to watch.
Look, she likes it. There's a dog fight at my papa's stable, and he sits for me when he wants a treat. Look, maybe she wants a treat.
Lucky I have some carroty treats with me. Do you want to give her one, Elodie?
Oui, s'il vous plaît. Voila. Aw, she's so funny when she takes a treat. I want to give her a treat too. Okay, Shella?
Sure.
Me too.
Here you go.
Yeah! Here, Dots. Dotsy Dots, you want a pat? She loves me.
Aw, she didn't take my treat.
Dots, Dotsy Dots, tummy rub time. Dots, Dots, I'll give you a tummy rub. Come here to me. Yes, she wants a tummy rub. Aw, Dots, I wanted to give you a tummy rub. Oh, she won't play with me.
Maybe instead of playing, she wants her wings tickled.
Dots! I want to tickle your wings, Dots.
Huh?
Dots, what are you doing?
She's having a scratch.
Aw, I wanted to tickle her wings.
We could try flying fetch. Dog flies love that. What's flying fetch? I'll show you. Dots, come here. Wanna play flying fetch?
Flying fetch! Woohoo!
I want to throw it now. Flying fetch, Dots.
I want to try. Okay, Lou?
Okay.
Fetch, Dots. What? Hey, Lou. Wanna race with us?
You can be the radish racer. Vroom.
No, thank you. I'm waiting for Roly Poly Roland to wake up. Roly Poly! Oh, Lou. Let's do some more super tickly Roly Polies.
Oh, those were fun.
Okay. We can Roly Poly while Roland rests. We have to play quietly, though.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Wee.
Oh, me too.
Quietly.
And me. Tickle, 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 tickle. Wee.
Roly Poly Roland, you're awake!
I wish I'd let you rest before instead of trying to get you to play with me.
I'm really happy that you're awake now, though. How about now? Would you like to play? Do you want to play catch? What do you want to do, Roland? Oh! Do you want to do a super tickly Roly Poly? Tickle, tickle. Whee! Lou, how about we all do super tickly Roly Polies?
Oh, fun.
Okay.
Yes.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Now, Dots, fetch the ball.
Maybe she's had enough playing for today.
Maybe she needs a rest.
Maybe she needs a poo.
We just don't know.
Aw, flying fetch is fun.
Why don't you play with Declan? Dots wouldn't play with him either.
Yeah, Declan, how about we play it together?
Okay.
Here. Flying fetch, Lou. Woohoo! Rolling fetch, Declan.
I want to play.
And me too. Wiggly, wiggly.
Wiggly fetch, Elodie.
I want to play now too.
Okay, flying fetch, Gus.
Flying fetch, Barnaby. Dots!
Looks like she decided to play again. Or maybe not.
Thanks for coming to play, Dots, even if you didn't want to play with me.
Bye, Dots.
Tara, save the day. Come on, Twiggy. We gotta save that acorn. Acorn rescued. Twiggy and Tara saved the day. Whee!
Whee!
Yay!
Yeah!
Ready, Twiggy? Ready, Tara? Go.
Go! Yay!
Yay!
Hey. Seesaw rocket 3, 2, 1.
Whee!
Woohoo!
Uh-oh. Twiggy!
It's okay, you're okay.
Twiggy's broken.
I'll fix it. I'll find you an even better Twiggy.
Twiggy. Mama Titi, I'm so sad. Twiggy broke.
Oh, poor Twiggy. No wonder you're sad. You loved him.
I did love him so much.
And I love you so much. Lola! I better go catch Lola. Mwah. I know you're still sad, and I'm right over there if you need me. Lola, that's not your nappy.
Look, Barnaby, I found you a twig. It's even bigger than Twiggy. Hello, Barnaby. I will be a special twig.
It's too big for my pocket. This twig isn't Twiggy.
But it's a twig. Twiggy's just a twig.
Twiggy wasn't just a twig. He was my extra special twig. What if I tried to give you a different dinosaur?
I wouldn't like that. Tara's my special dinosaur. I love her.
Twiggy was my special twig. I loved him.
Oh, I'll make Twiggy all better. Twiggy, you need to stick back together right now. Oh, no. You'll have to stay together, Twiggy. For Barnaby. I'm sorry, Barnaby. Twiggy broke. And I'm so sad because you loved him. And I can't fix him. And now he's 2 Twiggies.
Two Twiggies.
Yeah, 'cause Twiggy broke. And now you're sad. And I'm sad 'cause you're sad.
2 Twiggies. Lou, Twiggy isn't broken. Twiggy is twins like Aiden and Lola.
Twins?
Yep. Twiggin and Twilla saved the day.
Okay, Bugs.
Thanks, Yella.
Paper.
Woo! Thank you.
Painting. Here you go.
La 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 la. I'm going to draw a toilet. Toilet! I love it. I like yours. What is it? It's Tara. Look, there's her head, and there's her big long tail. Ooh, bonjour, Tara. Mine's a rainbow unicorn slug. Tara loves rainbow unicorn slugs, don't you, Tara?
Oh la la, what's that?
A cheese monster. Rawr.
What's that, Gus? A pea?
No, a butterspout. His name's Terry.
Aww, Terry and Tara. I'm going to take my painting home for Tara.
Cheesy cheese monster. More cheese, please.
Barnaby!
I didn't mean to.
Oh, Barnaby! It's getting worse. Oh!
Lulu, stop.
No, you messed up mine, so it's only fair.
It's not.
Ugh.
You should count spaghetti.
Look at what you did! Tara's tail is splodged!
Stop yelling at me.
I'm not!
Come here to me, you two. What's going on?
Barnaby splodged on Tara's tail. He ruined my painting.
Ah, I see the splodge. Sounds like you're pretty annoyed about it, Lou.
I am.
It was by mistake.
Ah, okay. So it was an accident, Barnaby, yeah?
Yeah, I didn't mean it.
Did so.
Did not.
Oh my goodness, you both sound very annoyed.
I am.
Me too.
Me too.
Count spaghetti.
What? What spaghetti?
When I get angry, I always go 1 spaghetti, 2 spaghetti, 3 spaghetti, 4 spaghetti until the angries go away. Wanna do it?
No.
1 spaghetti, 2 spaghetti, 3 spaghetti, 4 spaghetti, 5 spaghetti, 6 spaghetti, 7 spaghetti, 8 spaghetti, etty. 1 spaghetti, 2 spaghetti,
3 spaghetti. 4 spaghetti.
5 spaghetti.
6 spaghetti. 7 spaghetti. 8 spaghetti.
etty. I don't like spaghetti. I like Brussels sprouts.
4 spaghetti.
Okay, Gus, you do Brussels sprouts.
5 spaghetti and a Brussels sprout.
6
Brussels
spaghetti.
sprouts. 7
Seven
Brussels
spaghetti.
sprouts.
8
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. Biba, do you like my shoes? They're new.
Do you like mine? They're old.
Oh.
If you look, you can see the dot on the side.
Beep, beep. Radish racer is faster than turnip truck.
No, it isn't.
Baby didn't love you because you're new shoes.
And the bugs all lived in a big giant shoe.
Wow, that is a big shoe. Do you think it has a toilet in it?
Oh yes, I think so. All those bugs need a toilet.
Addie, Declan, look at my new shoes. They're bigger than my old ones. They're not as big as that one.
I don't wear shoes because I don't have feet. I have a wiggly tail. Regardez!
Ooh, wiggly tail. I have wiggly legs. Wiggly, 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 wiggly.
Turnip truck's the fastest.
Careful of the dinosaurs, they're sleeping.
Oh, okay. Beep, beep.
Gus, do you like my new shoes?
Not really.
You don't?
Nope,
Why not?
I just don't.
I told you Radish Racer was fastest.
Hi, Lou.
Hi.
Are you okay?
I'm all because I loved my new shoes and nobody even cares about them and Gus doesn't like them at all. I don't even think I like them now.
Oh, that's sad. What did you love about your new shoes? I love mine because they're orange and comfy and they go zzz.
Mine don't make noise, but they have a dot on the side. I like the dot on the side and that they're pink. And they're all shiny and new. You know what? I'm going to love my new shoes, even if Biba prefers her ones and Gus doesn't like them at all. I love them.
Wahoo! Hey!